Hello children, I am Mrs. Masi and today we will continue our chapter 5, that is safety rules. In our last video, we had studied about the safety rules followed at home. So today we will continue this and we will study about the safety rules followed on the road. First thing children, I want to tell you that you are too small, you are very small children. So never go alone on the road. Whenever you want to go, go with an adult or with your parents. Now come to the points. We must be careful on the road. We must follow the safety rules while crossing the road. It is very essential to follow the safety rules on the road when you are crossing or when you are walking on the road. Stop at the red light. Children, when we are in the vehicles like bus, car, we should stop when the red light is on and we should move when the green light is on. We should always follow the traffic signals. Do not play on the road. Sometimes children play on the side of the road and while playing they move to the road. This is very dangerous. This may cause to have an accident by the running vehicles. So you should never play or run on the road. Always cross the road at zebra crossing. I hope children you must have seen the zebra crossing. This is white and black strips on the road to cross the road. When the red light is on and moving vehicles are stopped, then only we should cross the road from the zebra crossing. This is safe point, safe side. Do not throw banana peels on the road. We should never throw any garbage or banana peels on the road. If someone foot fall on the banana peel, he or she may slip and may get hurt very badly. Accidents can also happen if vehicles are running on the road. So, we should not throw the banana peels on the road. We should throw it only in the dustbin. Always follow the signals on the traffic light. As I said here, we should follow the traffic signals. You all know that traffic lights has 3 colors light: red color, yellow and green. Red light says to stop. When the red light is on, we should stop if we are in vehicle. When the yellow light says to wait, to be ready, and the green light says to go. If we follow these instructions, this light signals, we will be safe. So always follow the signals on the traffic light. Always cross the road when there is a green light. This is for the people who are in vehicle, who travel in vehicle. They should cross the road when the green light is on and they should stop when the red light is on. But when you cross the road by foot, you should cross the road when the red light is on. When the red light is on and vehicles are stopped, then only you cross the road that is safe for you. First, you look right, then left, and then right again. For crossing the road, we should always look right. First, we should look right, then left, and then again to right, and then we should cross the road. Walk on the left side of the road. This also we should remember that we should always walk on the left side, not the right side, but the left side on the road. Now children, let me show a demonstration to clarify it better. So as you can see in this picture, this is traffic light, vehicles, and the children are standing here. Suppose this red light is on. This is also for the pedestrian, means for the walking people. When the red light is on, that times vehicles will stop. They will not move. And in that time, walking people can cross the road from the zebra crossing. And when the green light will be on, then this people should stand here. They have to wait and vehicles can move. It means when the red light is on, vehicles have to stop and the people can move. And when green light is on, vehicles can move and the people should stop. These are the rules that we should follow on the road to be safe. Now we will study about the safety rules when we travel. When you travel, stand in a queue at the bus stop. Children, you should be very careful when you travel in a car or bus or in the trolley. You should stand in a queue to wait for your bus. You should stand in very disciplined way or very quietly on the stop from where you have to catch your bus, auto or trolley. You should never push anyone or you should not play or run on the stop also. Do not disturb the driver while driving. Children should not disturb the driver by their talks while he is driving, because if you talk to the driver or disturb to the driver, his attention will be diverted and accidents can happen. So when you travel in a car or bus or auto, you sit quietly and never disturb or never talk with the driver. Do not get down from a moving bus. This is very dangerous for the children. So sit quietly on your place. Never get down from the moving bus. Do not put your hands out of the window. Children, when you travel in a bus or auto, you should never put your hands or head out from the moving vehicle. You may get hurt and accidents can also happen. So never put your hands or head out of the moving vehicles. So children, these are the rules that we should follow while we travel. Now come to the safety rules that we should follow at school. Do not run around in the classroom. Sometimes when the teachers are not present, that time children play and run in the classroom. This is not a good habit. So children, if you run around the classroom, you may get hurt and other children also get hurt. So never run in the classroom. Do not climb on the desk and chairs. You should not climb, you should not run or jump on the desk and chair in the classroom. This you must follow at your home also. You should not play on the desk or chair. Third is, do not sharpen your pencil with blades. Children, you should never sharpen your pencil with any sharp thing like blade, knife, etc. You should always sharpen your pencil with the sharpeners. Do not push others while coming up or going down the stairs. Children, when you walk on the stairs, you should be very careful. You should never push anyone while going up or coming down on the stairs. If you do not follow this, it can take a place of very dangerous accident and many children get hurt and suffer a lot. So children, these are the safety rules that every child should follow at school. So today we have learned about the safety rules that we should follow on the road, safety rules when we are traveling, and safety rules at the school. Children, always remember these rules. These are very important. Always remember these rules to be safe. Till my next video, stay home, stay safe.